So, friend, we have seen in this case Manoj, the patient name, he having complaint of not able to use his upper limb and lower limb, but he can hold foods, but he can't able to take food. Someone has to help him to get the food and to button his shirts and unbutton his shirts. But we have seen that he can use his limb, both limbs, upper and lower limb, against gravity. So there is power of grade 3. Okay, fine. We have seen, and he was using Baisakhi with some help. It means his motor function is okay. And meanwhile, we have seen that sensation by sensory fine touch. We have seen it's a normal, and plantar reflex, that is Babinski sign, is also normal. So these three things, motor, sensory, and posterior column functions, all are normal. So and he having control of his bowel and urinary bladder and bowel, control of this. So autonomic function is normal. He feel hunger, he used to take normal food. And meanwhile, while doing clinical observation, everything CNS it's look normal. But when we put some this one, when I asked him to clench his fingers against my finger, he is unable to do. And when I just press his finger, he uh, he having severe crusating pain, and we can see this on his face. So, and then it's okay, now some synovitis, all limbs, it seems to be involved. And when I finally observed, and we have initiated tenderness of all joint, finally we get it, oh, it's all joints are severe tender. So because of this tenderness, he is not able to use his hands and all limbs because of this synovitis. And this is the case of most probably rheumatoid arthritis, and which is simply not treated properly, and finally patient become bedridden. And when we are doing, we have seen he having fever also. So after we have started Vaslon 20 mg TID along with PPI, and finally he having some improvement from last day. But by seeing, just by simple clinical practice, we can differentiate it from the finding of cranial features, cranial nerves. And since he is using his all hands and fingers, but he is able to take food also. So cranial activity, cranial nerves are normal, motor are normal, sensory are normal, plantar are normal, bladder and bowel control are normal. So it's not a case of cranial nervous system. Okay, fine. So CNS rule out. So now we have came to the all small fingers, all the peripheral joints are tender, and because of this tenderness he is bedridden and not able to turn on his bed itself. So this is the case of rheumatoid arthritis. Simply one good history taking art is making a sense that we are not go for so much high rated investigations and all these things. So please, I request all my colleagues to at least spend 5 to 10 minutes for every case, and take it as a new case, and think that you are a MBBS student and you try to learn from every case. So thank you. Next, when I'll be trying to give you good cases and good clinical cases which can be used for PG student doing internal medicine and doing private practice and good practice. So good practice only you can achieve by doing good clinical practice, not writing lot of investigations and all these things. So thank you for watching.